So, this just came from Japan. It was a spur of the moment buy that makes pretty much 0 cents. And I wanted my girlfriend to see me open this because it's funny and she'll think, what the hell did you buy that for? Keep in mind, I won this for very, very cheap, like 20 bucks or something. And I think it's funny. So, this is a Saphiro shopping cart. And I'm 100% taking this to Coles to do my groceries.
Okay. I'm not in there.
This is gonna go in the boot of the Saphiro. Maybe when I buy a slab of beers, I can put them in here. What do you think?
Do we go to the shopping from now?
This is amazing. What is up, guys? As all you Melburnians know, we are now on another 5-day lockdown. So, I had a fair few parts on the way for both cars, which didn't arrive in time before lockdown. So I'm a bit spewing about that because I would have had a couple of things to do. But on this video, I'm going to go on the hunt for the infamous build sheet that is under the carpet on VN VPs. I'm hoping it's there, considering the VN is only a 3-owner car, me being the 3rd owner. I'm really hoping it's there somewhere. So I'm going to pull the interior out, pull the carpet out, and we'll see if it's there. But first, every couple of months in this space here, I pull everything out and gurney the floor so it's all nice and clean. Especially when I've just done the diff here twice. I really don't like working on cars here. I'll always swap the cars out into the garage and work on them in here. But with the diff out of this for so long, having that here would have blocked the Evo in there. So I would have had 2 dead cars for absolutely no reason. So I'm going to pull all the cars out, toolbox, shelving, everything out, and gurney the floor in here. There we go, all clean. I can move the cars back in. I'm gonna put the Evo at the back, swap them around so we can get started pulling the interior out of this. I actually found out today something really cool with the Evo. Now, 7,700 Evo 6s made, Japanese ones, so right-hand drive ones. Of 7,700 cars, this Reims blue is the rarest color at only 572 in the world. So I'm pretty happy that I have the rarest color. It's a very cool thing to know. Oh my god, what a pain in the ass this trim was to unclip to get the carpet out from under it. Jesus Christ. Now I'm only taking the passenger side out first because I know that 99% of the time they're under the passenger seat. So there's no point taking everything out if I don't have to. So hopefully this build sheet is under here somewhere. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes! There we have it. trying not to rip it because it's all stuck together. Uh-oh. This bit is really stuck, so I'm not going to push my luck. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to stick this bit back on. And that can be now part of my little collection of things here. The original books, Holden first aid kit. So now this can go in here. Actually, if anyone knows what all this stuff means, apart from it being a 3.8 V6 exec, that is it. Very cool. So happy I was able to find that. While we're on the topic of carpet and interior, where have all you LS guys mounted your ECUs? Because this is disgusting. But I don't want to mount it in here, and I can't mount it here because the fuse box is there. So where have people mounted these ECUs? And I'm really struggling to find a pair of front door trims for this car because these are starting to lift here on both sides exactly the same. So it's 16i interior, so if anyone has any exec non-power window front door trims in like immaculate condition, please message me on social media somewhere and I will take them. This is really shitting me and I want the interior really good in this car. So hit me up if you have any. Now I thought I would just do a quick pass over the carpet with this wet vac I have from my work, and you should see the water. And I've done this before when I first got the car. So this is the water that came out of the carpet of the van. You bastards. So one thing I'm super pumped on this week that I got for the VN is actually something that I got from my boss. Now, a couple of videos ago, I did a video on his VP Senator that he just bought, and he's been trying to source a standard radio. And he managed to find a VN one. Now, the difference between VN VP ones, VP one's black, VN ones are grey. And I think like the sticker on the thing for the tape is a bit different. But anyway, so he found a VN one and got it for me. So I now have a factory Eurovox VN radio. Not sure if it works. Doesn't really bother me if it doesn't, because I don't listen to the radio or music at all in this car when I'm driving. But it'll be good to have the standard one back in. I've just realised something very annoying. To get this head unit out, the screws are just behind the frame of the dash. So this whole center part's gonna have to come out just to change the head unit. Of course. So here we go, the Kenwood tape player that was in it, and this is the factory VN exec radio. Now according to Google, this is the exact part number for a VN exec. Now I've swapped the brackets over from the other one, but unfortunately what you'll notice is the plugs are different. So this isn't going to plug in and work, but I've got everything apart, so I'm going to bolt it in there anyway. And later down the track, when I find someone wrecking a VN VP, I'll buy a plug and wire the standard plug back in and see if this thing works. So happy. The factory radio back in. Slowly getting the interior of this car exactly how I want it. Now if anyone I think the power just went off in my house. God damn it. Out here. So if anyone has a standard plug for the radio for VNVP, I think VR, VS, all the same plug, feel free to contact me, I'll take it. And for all the power just came back on. And for everyone asking, yes, I will be racing this car very soon with the new diff and the ET Streets over there. See if we can get down to a low 12 at least. And I'm not sure which event, but I'm thinking maybe Hold Nationals, which is coming up, I think next month at Heathcote. So if you want to see this car, head down to Heathcote and I'll see you guys there. Now I'll cap off this video by saying next week's video, I am currently on the way to put this car on the dyno to trying to get it to run properly. I don't really care what power it makes, as long as it idles and doesn't hunt and stall at the lights. So hopefully we can sort this out, and it'll be on next week or possibly the week after video. So catch you guys then.